Okay, quite simply, it's a note-taking service, so you can take notes here, create lists, take notes with drawings or new notes with images. So what I'm going to do now for the purpose of demonstrating how it works is create a list. So this is going to be my to-do list. Okay, now what you can do is have this simply saved into your notes, but what you can also do is you can add labels to it. So you can create and edit your labels over here. So this is going to be part of my, what I will do is add a label. This is going to be part of my Visions of Emerging Technology project. So I'll click on that and I can change the color and so on it. Okay, so as you see, it's added to my note section here.
The reason that we have the labels is to keep our tasks organized into jobs or sections, or in this case, into modules.
So we're going to go back into notes. This is a collaborative tool. So what you can actually do is share the notes and that you've made. I'm going to share it with myself on my mobile and click it in. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what it comes up as on the mobile app. I'm now going to open the Google Keep app. As you can see, the to-do list that I shared is there. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to say that I've actually completed my Google Keep presentation. So I can click on it there. And as you can see, it's cancelled out. So my collaborator now knows that I've completed it. But what I do also need to remind myself is that I now need to read article on robots. Okay. And this now has been added not just to my to-do list here, but also with my original collaborator's to-do list. As you can see, my note about reading the article on robots has been added to my to-do list. One of the other features you can do is pin your notes up to the top. And the reason for that is that if you do have multiple lists, any important ones you can pin to the top. You can also copy any of your lists and so on into Google Docs. So if you've been taking notes using it, it's very handy for that. There's also a remind me section where you can set up reminders either for a specific date or time, or even set up weekly reminders for tasks that you have to do regularly. And lastly, you can also set up a reminder for places. So for example, if I wanted to decide that every time I go to DCU, I need to be reminded to maybe pay for my parking toll and so on, that feature is there also.